The Honest Woodcutter. Once upon a time, in a small village near a river, lived a poor woodcutter named Ethan. Every day, he would go to the forest, cut wood, and sell it in the market to earn a living. One day, while cutting a tree near the river, his axe slipped from his hands and fell into the deep water. Ethan became sad, as it was his only tool for work. He sat by the river, wondering what to do. Suddenly, a fairy appeared from the water and asked, "Why are you sad, dear woodcutter?" Ethan explained his problem. The fairy smiled and dived into the river. She came back holding a golden axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Ethan looked at it and shook his head. "No, this is not mine," he said honestly. The fairy dived again and returned with a silver axe. "Is this your axe?" she asked. Again, Ethan shook his head. "No, this is not mine either." The fairy dived once more and finally brought back his old iron axe. Ethan's eyes lit up with joy. "Yes. This is my axe," he said happily. The fairy was pleased with his honesty. "You are an honest man. As a reward, you can have all 3 axes." Ethan thanked the fairy and returned home happily. From that day on, he lived a better life, knowing that honesty always brings rewards. Moral of the story: honesty is always rewarded.